back at the shop. Now, we put all the tubes in the ground. Frost line's 5 feet. I got it some right at 5 feet, some under 5 feet, and some right above 5 feet because there was some serious rock in that ground. So basically, I had plans on just mixing the concrete myself, grabbing water from the creek, bringing it up, mixing it, and anything to save a buck. I do all the labor myself. It turns out doing that would have cost me over $1,000. I called the local cement guy. I'm going to need 3 yards to fill all the tubes, and it's going to cost me just under $600. So that's a win right there. I can't believe it myself, but yeah, I think it was $1,200 for 80-pound bags. I would have needed 120 of them, and then with all the labor, that would have been some serious sweat. So I'm happy I called around and I found out, you know, they'll bring it right to the site. We'll have to see how that turns out. During this build, I also put the rebar in. Rebar, I had to cut how many bars, Jen?
3 times 36.
I had to cut 36 bars. 36 bars. It's, I don't know how many feet, 8 foot. 8 foot, I took a foot off, like 7 foot bars. I had to cut some off because I got 10 foot bars because I couldn't find any, of course, anywhere where I live. So at home, I went ahead, I threw them on the back of the pickup, I locked them down, measured them all out, and I cut them all to fit. And then when we went up there, we just placed them in a diamond pattern. When you look into the tube, it looked like a diamond, 3 of them. Tied them with some wire, and put the cement in, and it makes the tubes cement stronger. So basically, I get it delivered, and I get 45 minutes to have the truck on site. Every minute after 45 would have cost me $1.25. So the guy showed up, nice guy, set up. That truck was huge, but he was able to get it in there, but not position it to the point that he could fill them by using the chute. Only the first 3 he was able to do it by using the chute. So basically, I had to wheelbarrow all the cement to the remaining 9 tubes. And I had 45 minutes to do it. I remember these things are about 8 feet to fill. And it was a hot day. I mean, I was soaked. Jennifer was hustling, her dad was hustling, as you see in the video. I mean, we got this done. We got it all done in about 40 minutes. The guy was in and out in less than an hour, so we got it done. Then we placed the, what do you call it, Jen? The cement things.
The brackets?
Yeah, the brackets. Yeah, the Simpson tie, stronghold brackets for the cement tubes. They go about a foot into the cement, and they got a foot hanging out of the cement where you put your 2x10s in and secure them. So we went ahead and hung our lines again and put all the brackets in. And once that is done, we were all set. Just had to let the cement dry, which the cement set up in 1 hour. So we had some issues. I mean, like, we were hustling. We had 45 minutes before they start charging. We had 1 hour from start to finish from the first tube we started putting the cement in to set those brackets. So we were hustling. One of the tubes was buckling. I don't know what the problem was, but it was one of the back tubes. and it started to buckle. So in the video, I think you see me off to the side, I'm cutting out a frame, and a lot of people do this with the tubes that come out of the ground farther than probably 3 feet. They have to frame out a support beams to support them until it dries. And I didn't do that because they weren't coming out more than 3 feet, but that back one started to buckle, so I threw a frame together real quick, locked it in place, staked it in place, and it came out fine.
This is where we are at. Cement is all set. Next week, start the build.
Every time we're getting ready to go home, we have like a checklist in our head, and there's always something we miss. My biggest pet peeve, or my biggest problem, is I always forget to turn on the trail cams, but oh well. I'm gonna turn it on right now. So next video, maybe you get to see, or this video, what's been snooping around. All right.
Are we going to keep the gate open?
Thanks for watching another episode of Liberty Creek. Catch you on the next one.